Hello viewers, I'm Advocate K. Rawat from Lexis & Company. Today I'm going to talk about the key differences between bailable offence and non-bailable offence. The bail is granted to the accused with little evidence. The officer in charge can also be granted the bail in case of a bail offence in a bailable offence. In a case of a non-bailable offence, the court decides the number of days the accused have to spend under the judicial custody before filing a bail. In case of bailable offences, the accused may release on bail after being arrested, while in non-bailable offence, the accused must remain in custody until the order comes up by the court. Bailable offences are considered less serious as compared to the non-bailable offences. Concrete evidences and strong witnesses are required for non-bailable offences as compared to the bailable offences. While most of the cases with the bailable offences there is less no punishment, non-bailable offences involves punishment like death penalty, imprisonment to life, etc. So, advantages and disadvantages of bailable and non-bailable offences. Advantages of bailable offences are: in bailable offences, the bail is granted to the accused too, and he/she is released from the custody while awaiting trial, allowing them to continue working and supporting their families. While in case of disadvantages of bailable offence, bail bond amount can create financial trouble to the accused. Advantages and disadvantages of non-bailable offences. Non-bailable offences are considered to be more serious in nature and to the bail bond amount is very high, whereas the disadvantages of non-bailable offences are: non-bailable offences can result in prolonged detention for the accused as they may be denied bail and have to remain in custody until their trial, and if the decision is in favor of accused, then there is no provision to compensate the time he/she spent under the judicial custody. I hope you are clear with the concept of the bailable offence and non-bailable offences along with their advantages and disadvantages. If not, then do let me know in the comment section. I'll clear all your doubt regarding bailable offences and non-bailable offences in my next video. Till then, take care of yourself. I'll see you guys super soon in my next video with some other legal topic.